In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Word can't do this because the dialog box is open. So let's get started. So right click at the start button, select Task Manager, maximize the Task Manager window. In the search bar, simply type Word so that you can easily find Microsoft Word. Make a right click, select End Task, and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that we can produce more videos and tutorials for you. Next method is you have to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match, maximize it. Click on the blank document, click on the File tab on the ribbon, click on Options, and then click on Add-ins on the left pane for the Word options. For this one, manage COM add-ins, choose COM add-ins, okay? And then click on Go. Now, if there are any add-ins from here, simply remove that, okay? Select and then remove, select and then remove, okay? Then click on OK, and then close this. Next method is you have to click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. Then we have to look for the version of our Microsoft Office. So I have this Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. Click on the three dots, select modify. Then go with quick repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection, and click on the repair button and this will start the process. After the quick repair, restart your Windows once and see if that helped you fix the issue. But if not, go back to the same window and go with online repair. Fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. This will really take a while, like almost or 1 hour or more. So simply click on the repair button and you just have to patiently wait for the process to be done. And once that is done, that will fix the issue for you and you're good to go. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.